So who doesn't want to be a successful trader? Who doesn't want to make money in trading? In this short video, I've basically compiled 9 steps that you can basically use to become a beast in the markets, to become a successful trader or a better trader. So if you are new on this channel, do me a favor and go ahead and like the video. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed. That's how you are not going to miss future videos. About everything else that you might want to know, see the description box below. So let's get back to our video. Our 9 steps to become a great trader, 9 steps to becoming a good trader or the best trader that you know of. So the first step or the first point is that when you start trading, you need to have goals. You need to have goals. When you are trading, you are not it's like work, it's like a business. So if you've got a business but you don't know where you are going, you don't know what the business is about, that business is bound to fail. If you are going to work but you do not understand why you are doing the work that you are doing and you are uninspired about the work that you are doing, you are bound to become a frustrated, poor and unhappy person, and it's going to show in the level of work that you do. So the first thing that you want to do is to have goals in mind. When you are trading, what is the goal that you are trying to achieve with your goal, with your trading? Then the second point is you need to be aware that unlike what's shown on social media, where people are just making profit, it's not always like that in trading. New traders, especially when they come into trading, they expect to like turn $100 into $1 million overnight. They expect to see the Range Rovers, the G-Wagons, the mansions, like very early in their career, which is impossible to do. The reality is you are even going to be taking losses, but as long as your losses are not enough to eat your profits, then your strategy is fine. Many new beginning traders also get frustrated when their strategy starts taking losses. Then they think they need to find a new strategy, they need to find a new mentor, they need to find a new indicator, they need to find a new thing. Trust me, every strategy will take a loss at some point in time. As long as your strategy is giving you, say, a ratio of 7 winning trades, 3 losses, then you are fine. As long as the wins are enough to cover the losses, then you are good. Then number 3 is don't waste time on losing trades. Many people marry their losing trades, and I did this also. So these things that I'm telling you are also from experience. Don't look at a losing trade and think it's going to come back. Sometimes it's just wise to cut your losses and move on, and don't even think back on that losing trade. Cut back on that loss. If you cannot handle it, if your account cannot handle that loss, just cut it out and don't look back and move on. Let's look for other opportunities. There will be thousands of more opportunities in the market. Don't marry that one position. It's going to destroy your account. Number 4, you need to choose a broker that suits your trading style. You must find a broker that suits your trading style and that meets what you want to do in the market. Many people also ask me about the broker that I use. Their link is in the description box below. With just $5 you can open a real life trading account. Basically you can use that $5 account to test any strategies, to test robots, to test anything, systems that people are selling out there or that you are trying to develop in real market conditions. That is in real market conditions. That's why I love my broker, and they are an award-winning broker. So, but you find a broker that suits your trading style and your particular needs. Number 5, study and practice. People have this notion that they can simply come into forex trading and overnight they are a success, they are making money and stuff. Trading is a skill, and like any other skill, if you don't practice, if you don't study, if you don't learn, you are going to be losing money. You are going to be the most frustrated trader on planet Earth. You need to learn your strategy, you need to refine it, you need to practice it, you need to understand what you are doing correctly, what you are doing wrong, what you need to avoid, and what you need to do more of. Okay, so study your charts. You need to be studying your charts. Number 6, and this is a big one, you need to cut down on the noise. What do I mean by cutting down the noise? Many people try to trade 100 pairs at like every day. Don't do it. Instead, what you want to do is to pick a pair, whether you like it because it moves or whether you like it because whatever reason that you like it for. Choose one pair. Find one or two setups that you know you love about that pair, that you know, for example, you know if this pair forms an M and W pattern, it's about to take off. You know when you see a bearish flag on that pair, it's about to drop. You understand the ins and the outs of that pair. Don't be tempted to trade 100 pairs that are offered by your broker. Take out the noise. Focus on one pair. I know sometimes people get frustrated and their pair is not giving them any opportunities, but it's better that you sit on your hands than blow your account. That's my thinking. So I would advise that you focus on one pair, sometimes even focusing on one session. Understand a session that you love depending on where you are on the globe, depending on your lifestyle. Do you go to work? Do you do other things? Find one pair, one setup, one trading session. You'll be good to go. There are many people who are making millions just trading one pair. There's no reason to trade 100 pairs. Number 7, you want to plan your trades. Plan your trades in advance. Don't go into the market and you just take trades on an impulse because you just saw a candle spiking on that pair. Then you suddenly go in and jump in and you buy or you sell. That's a recipe for disaster. What you want to do is, when you wake up early, whatever time you wake up, some wake up around 5, some wake up around 4, some around 7, whatever time that you wake up, give yourself maybe an hour or so before you start trading to actually have a plan for your pair that you are going to trade that day, or the pairs that you are going to be trading that day. Have a plan. If they do this, I'm going to be doing this. If today the pair does that, I'm going to react this way. Don't just buy and sell like right in the market because you just saw a spike or you just saw something and then you rush in. You will get your hands bent. So always make time to wake up early, go over your charts, prepare your mind, prepare everything, plan your trades, no taking trades on an impulse. Number 8, stay calm. sometimes things don't go your way. Sometimes your trades, your perfect setup did not work out. Don't panic. Panicking sometimes leads you to start taking mistakes, and mistakes that can hurt your account. And you need to also stay calm even when you are making money. Sometimes people don't even know how to react when they are making money, the same way they don't know how to react when they are losing money in the markets. So you need to learn to stay calm in both situations. When your trades are going your way, stay calm. Don't then suddenly think, let me go with my whole account on this thing, let me like double down, let me just pile up trades on randomly. You need to stick with your plan. So even when you are making money, stick with your plan and be calm. If you're losing money, stick with your plan and be calm. Number 9, the last one. The mistake that I always see people making, especially new traders, is cutting their wins too early. I already said you need to cut your losses early, but you find that usually people, they let their losses run for longer than they should because they hope and pray that it's going to come back. But the moment a trade like just turns blue, they close it. But they are able to let the losses run for 2 days. You are doing the wrong way. Let your wins run for 2 days and cut those losses early. The wins, even if you take a few wins, you find that there will be enough to cover those losses. So those are some of the tips that I have for anybody who wants to become a better trader. If there's anything that you feel I left out in my 9th step to becoming a successful trader, leave it in the comment section below. Let's help one another. Let's help other traders. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.